Hi, welcome to part 3 of Permanent Plan Set Auto Generation. So last two videos, first we made a full home backup and a partial home backup for an end-phase system. Today we're going to go ahead and make a PV-only string inverter system. So let's get started. We'll go ahead and hop over on step 2, just same as we did last time. Then we'll go ahead and click Add Panel. We'll leave the REC panels, but this time we're going to set microinverter to none. Next, we'll go ahead and click one of the roof facets, and we'll click the second one as well. And this is very, very important. Next thing we want to do once the panels are placed, we do not want to string yet. What we want to do is hit this inverter button and add our inverter and our optimizer. So we'll go ahead and add the SolarEdge 11400H, and we'll use the S440 optimizer. We will add this and place this here for now. From there, after that, we want to go ahead and hit stringing. So we'll string up the first string, and notice the same thing with the micros. If you go a little too far, the array is going to turn red. So you want to make sure that everything is white and nothing turns red. So we have string 1, then we'll have string 2. Next, we'll go ahead and make sure we have our structural details, same as we did before. Flash flow 2, we'll do the XR10s, we'll keep the attachment staggered, we'll leave 2x4 rafters, we'll copy these over and hit apply. Now we'll go ahead and go straight to step 4. You'll notice that in step 4 this time we have our DC system configuration and our inverter configuration. So if we wanted to add an inverter or change it, we do have that option here. So we'll go ahead and add a DC junction box. This time we'll place that in the middle of the roof. You'll see how the two strings auto connect to the junction box. From there, once we're in the junction box object, as you can see in the left hand panel over here, we'll hit our output connection as inverter 1. This will not auto connect for you. You want to go ahead and connect this one on your own. So we'll hit junction box to inverter, pop back, and then from there, since we're on the AC side, we no longer really care about the DC combiner box or DC disconnect. So we'll close this one. And then we already have our inverter, so we'll close that. Now we're on the AC side of things. So we only have one inverter, so we don't need another combiner, but we do need a disconnect. So go ahead, add a disconnect. And you know what, just for this one, let's make it fused, because we're going to do a line side tap. Also, we'll add a PV meter or a production meter. We'll add that to the left side or the load side of the AC disconnect. We'll go back, and then we'll go ahead and add our main panel. This time, we're going to go ahead and in our tie-in, we're going to do a line side tap, and we'll click internal meter to make sure that the utility meter is inside of our main service panel. We'll go ahead and hit back, and then we'll go ahead and add our electrical placeholder. Remember, there's nothing on this ribbon you want to be left red. So we'll add our utility meter here, and we could also add our production meter to the left of the disconnect. Then we'll go ahead and generate a preview of our single line diagram. Now that we have our preview of our single line diagram with our string inverter system, we'll hit Generate Permanent Set, same as last time. Go to that final page. Look through to make sure everything's correct. And we'll go ahead and hit Generate Permit Set. From here, we'll once again extract our folder, open up the DWG, and we'll have a full permit plan set ready to go for our string inverter system. Thank you.